A planned attack. That's what Cedar Hill police say this was. Police say a man, identified as 34-year-old Brian McGee of Glen Heights, had made threats toward his ex-girlfriend who worked at the Methodist Family Health Center in Cedar Hill. Police say McGee went to the health center with several weapons and rounds of ammunition and shot a doctor. Cedar Hill Police Chief Eli Reyes showed body cam and dash cam footage from Tuesday's shooting. Chief Reyes says this is the moment responding officers were told to look for McGee's car, a black Chrysler. They immediately see it, and a chase begins.
Black Chrysler coming at you! Black Chrysler, right there! Right there! Get that car out! We're in pursuit with that suspect vehicle. It's going to be going back westbound on Beltline towards Joe Wilson.
It's like a 300.
McGee eventually pulls over to the side of the road after a minor crash. He's seen opening the driver door. That's when police say McGee fired his weapon first.
Somebody call Kennedy. Somebody call Kennedy. Somebody close Kennedy. Clear Beltline. Shots fired. Shots fired. Somebody get Kennedy. Shots fired. Multiple shots fired. I copy. Shots fired.
Now this is the point of view of an officer who fired back at McGee.
Shot back! Shot back! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired, dispatch!
After several moments, McGee is shot and stops shooting. Police say that's when they started life-saving measures on McGee. He was taken to a hospital in critical condition. Chief Reyes says one thing is clear.
Whoa.
This situation could have been much worse. He said he's proud of his officers' response.
I'm proud of them. It's not an easy thing to do. It's going to be a tough situation for them. And at this time, it's going to be important for us to look out for their mental health and welfare.
Chief Reyes says 3 weapons were recovered from McGee's Chrysler: an unspecified semi-automatic rifle, a pistol, and the long gun he was seen with by police. McGee has been charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, and other charges could be filed.
Shots fired, dispatch!